Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so look, more of the same, right? We continue to head higher. We actually hit our bet the house area. We talked about that at last Tuesday's webcast, the distance between price and the 45-day pivot. We hit that bet the house area at about 74 into the close on Friday. So I've actually been short. I am short 74. We took a little bit of heat in the overnight, but it's turned into a nice little trade for us to open up the week. We're pushing on 64 here, which is the daily pivot. Let me get right into the hourly chart real quick because we're going to open in about 15 minutes. So I'm running a little behind today, and I apologize for that. You can see they're trying to do daily pivot support. You can see that Friday was a steady uptrend day. You had the rejection off of the other attempt at lows down in the 30 area Thursday afternoon. They ground it, and then they ramped it on them. Your typical happy fun time Friday. It was a fantastic day in the room for us. We got long, and we sat there long all day. You see the new weekly pivot at 28.50.92. If daily pivot becomes resistance, this is the natural place for a test on a Monday heading into a Tuesday. The bears, though, are absolutely irrelevant at any point above the weekly pivot. They have to convert the weekly pivot if they're going to have any sustainable downside. And that remains to be seen. So, we'll see what they can do down at the weekly pivot if they get there. If not, then I would expect somewhere pretty close to here to act as your lows, and then maybe you go up and retest the highs, maybe make a higher high. The pressure's on the bears to perform. They performed for 13 handles. They need to continue to perform. I mean, that's the position that they put themselves in. Okay? Watch daily pivot, watch weekly pivot. Whoever wins the weekly pivot the next 2 days is going to get most likely directional days into the end of the week. That's been the pattern for the past several months. There's no reason to think that this week is going to be any different, he tried to say. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Catch us for the wrap-up later. Trade them well. I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.